Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Grafana to Amazon Timestream for time series analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Grafana installed on your machine or server. Open your web browser and navigate to the Grafana dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Next, locate the configuration option in the left-hand menu. Click on Data Sources to open the Data Source Management page. In the Data Sources section, click the Add Data Source button. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Amazon Timestream. Click on Amazon Timestream to open the configuration settings. You will see fields for connection settings. Begin with the Access Key ID field. Enter your AWS Access Key ID linked to your Timestream database. Move to the next field labeled Secret Access Key. Input your AWS Secret Access Key. Next, enter the region where your Timestream database is located. This should be in the format of a specific AWS region, such as US East 1. In the database name field, type the name of your Timestream database. If you want, you can specify a table name as well, but it's optional. Now, you can adjust the default time range based on your analytics needs. Scroll down to the Authentication section. Select the appropriate authentication method for your use case. Click on the Save and Test button to check the connection. If successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating the data source is working. Now, navigate back to the main dashboard. You can start creating a new panel to visualize your Timestream data. Click on Create and then Dashboard from the left-hand menu. Add a new panel by clicking the Add Panel button. In the panel settings, select Amazon Timestream as your data source. Use the query editor to specify the metrics you want to analyze. Adjust the time range and any other settings to fit your needs. Once you are satisfied with your panel, click on Apply to save changes. Repeat the process to add more panels as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.